Hi, I'm Rita from Black Widow Termite and Pest Control Corp. I've been in the industry for over 20 years. What we're going to discuss today is clutter. There's two important things about being proactive when it comes to insects and rodents, and that's exclusion and clutter. And today we're going to focus on clutter. And I want to focus on a room that's not clutter. And this is an example of a room that I feel what every bedroom should look like. One, anything against the wall is easily removable. Clean and get to the corners and get to the moldings. Even the picture frames are easy to take off and clean behind. You can even get to underneath the bed easily and clean behind the molding and see if there's anything there. One thing that we don't want to have in our bedrooms, we don't want straw baskets. Straw baskets harbor insects. Sometimes we have a hamper and it's straw and it will harbor roaches and bed bugs and so on. There is things today that you can purchase. This is easy removable. I could throw in the washing machine and I could dunk this in soapy water. And it's very decorative. So to get rid of the straws, there is other solutions. And your hamper, there's other things on the market than a straw hamper. This is washable, it's cotton, and you can throw in the washing machine and dry it, and I have done it. I also put a plastic bag in there, so when I put the clothes in, I just simply go like this, and if anything's on the clothes, it's in the plastic bag, it cannot come out. And I just take the clothes, put them in the washing machine, and I discard this bag outside. And that's a very good proactive tip if you're, if you're really concerned about bed bugs. Cardboard. We have a habit of storing stuff in cardboard. Well, there's so many plastic bins that are clear on the market today that you can store things in. Even if you were going to store things underneath your bed, even though I feel the bed should not have anything underneath it, but if you have to and space is an issue, everything should be in a removable plastic locked bin. That means rodents and bugs cannot get into this. This is an example of cardboard. They have little tiny grooves in here and the insects hide in the grooves of the cardboard. And mice, this is like Hotel Regis too. Everything in this room, I can get to the moldings, I can move away, and not just the bottom of your room you have to worry about cleaning, you also have to look at the stuff that's on top, and that goes for your window treatments, and the window treatments I picked that are easy to maintain, to clean, to get to. The moldings, the vents, and even the windows to clean. This is essential oil. Essential oil is a very good cleaning product to clean with. Why is it a good cleaning product? Well, scientists told me a long time ago that any essential oil, even on a mite, will suffocate it. We can't say that it kills insects, but it's safe to say this is a good cleaning product to use. And don't forget your moldings, your crack, and your crevices. And behind your picture frames, which I think I said that already. A vacuum is very important. This vacuum could even get up high, and if there was anything nesting in here, or the moldings, I would be able to suck it up. But whatever vacuum you use, make sure it has a disposable bag, and this vacuum, everything goes into this cartridge. It's a HEPA filter cartridge. And the bugs are contained inside of this. So I'm able to throw this away without transferring bugs to room to room to room in my vacuum because it doesn't have a bag or a HEPA filter safety cartridge. I hope this helped today. This is the first series of a concept of being proactive. Remember one thing, anyone could have bugs. If you're rich, you're poor, doesn't matter what age you are, but it really depends how you're going to eradicate it is how cluttered you are and exclusion. And today I hope I gave you the concept that if you don't live in clutter, it will be easy to get to things to clean and to eradicate. Thank you.